We do content for a living. We break relationships for a living. So can I please have your numbers if you are not a couple?
Oh, he's asking for numbers, like for
hello.
Numbers. Yeah, for
calling. Hello. Yes. We just want to see if she's cheating on you and if you are cheating on her. Luckily, she don't have a phone, but I wanted to take her numbers. YouTube. What's good, YouTube? This is baby. That's good. Only real ones know this intro. What's good, YouTube? This is baby. Yes, guys. It used to be my old intro, but yeah, it's still my intro though, because I haven't changed it yet. You understand? So, guys, basically, what's gonna be happening today is we are going to Harare Gardens, the main garden in Zimbabwe, Harare, where couples will be sitting, cuddling, lying to each other. Understand? We want them to exchange phones for 60 seconds or for 30 seconds to see if they are not cheating on each other. Understand? So today, I'm gonna be showing you the couple that we were talking with, and we were pretending as if we are from Zambia and as if we don't know Shona. And I was with my guy, one of the best YouTubers in Zimbabwe. Please check out his channel. It's called Mbidapakati Official. You understand? I'm gonna put his channel right here so that you're gonna subscribe to his channel also. So yeah, why am I even explaining, man? I'm wasting your time. Just go and check the video out for yourself. You understand? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share. And if you want more of this, tell me that in the comment section. Let's get it. Okay. So I tell you to try videos.
To so like this place is so quiet, man.
Yeah, very quiet, eh?
Yo, so guys, this is our first time in Zimbabwe. So like this is the park. What do they call this park?
I think this is something.
Oh, you know what? We can ask these people, man.
Yeah,
we can ask these guys, like, to see what's going on. Hello guys, how are you? Sorry for disturbing you guys. We vloggers, we tourists, so like we're just doing a vlog, you know what I say? So like go by the name Mali, and that's Praise. What's your name, my bro? Lloyd. And my sister? Alice. So like what do you call this place? Like it's a beautiful place. You don't have what? Money. No, what's the name of this place?
Maybe the sound for our. Okay, do you mind if I put my?
Like, what's the name of this place?
Guys. I chose the Sumuziba. Sinakana zokuzo kumirira eni bamazvipedza.
You saying what?
What are you saying, bro? Huh? What are you saying? Do you know, like, no, like we're not Zimbabweans, that's the thing. So we're gonna try and understand like what you're saying. Do you know English? Huh?
What he's saying?
No, I don't know what he's saying. I don't understand. My sister, what is he saying? You don't know.
Oh, what? So what?
At least she knows English.
What is the name of this place?
This place, yeah. You don't know. Are you guys Zimbabweans?
Or are you guys a couple or something?
Are you guys a couple?
You're not a couple. So you're not dating each other.
Oh, we thought it's a couple. It's fine. But we can ask someone else. I don't know what you're saying, bro. What do you think about it?
So can I please have your numbers if you are not a couple? I can't have your numbers.
No, he's not asking you. He's asking.
Can I have your number? But if you are not a couple.
Huh?
What do you think?
No,
you don't have your line.
Just give her your phone.
So okay, you can give
just
us your Instagram
phone,
or something. Or your chief's number. Where are you from?
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, he's asking for number, like for
hello.
Numbers. Yeah, for
calling.
Hello. Yes.
Damn!
You don't know. You don't have a phone.
What about on Facebook?
So what's your name, by the way? No, she's very beautiful, my guy.
Do you have a boyfriend? But she said
She's keeping quiet. We're not talking to you.
Okay, she said she's single. Okay, my brother, she's a girlfriend. Yes. Why are you saying you're single then?
But
you know what I'm suspecting. Wait, my brother. You know what I'm suspecting?
What is it?
If she's saying she's single, and then something suspicious there. Because why is she saying she's single and then this one is saying it's like it's his girlfriend?
I don't know. But she's single, this one. Get your number, then we go, man.
My brother, okay, I just want to ask this question, then I'll go. Do you trust your girlfriend? You trust her? Yes. But why is she saying she's single when you are with her? Sorry. But she's saying she's single, and then you're saying it's your girlfriend. Do you want me to prove that she's cheating? I mean, you said this one is your girlfriend, right?
Yes, girlfriend.
This one, right? Okay.
Yes.
You said you're single, right? This one, she said you said you're not like your girlfriend, right? Okay. So what I want to do, I just want to prove you in 30 seconds that she's cheating.
I don't know, sir.
Can I prove you?
No.
You don't want to see? You don't want to know?
Yes.
So you know that she's cheating?
This is standing about muti outside was not the show girlfriend around here.
What is she saying? Bruh, this one is from Zimbabwe. You can translate. What is he saying? What is he saying? Ask me. Come close. I was saying I want to prove this guy that his girlfriend is cheating because like the girlfriend said, no, I'm not dating the guy. Then the guy said that's his girlfriend. So he's saying something. Maybe you can translate for us. Maybe you can talk to him with Shona. My God.
So,
mukadzi wangu haisi chimungu changu ba.
The actual married. Okay, does he trust like his wife?
Ndinomtrust asingaiti.
He said yes, more than 100%.
Okay, do you mind exchanging phones for 30 seconds and see if she's not cheating? We don't want your numbers. We want to prove you that your wife is cheating on you. Because why did she say that she's single at first? You see? So now we want to prove you that if you want to show you that if she's the one or not. So do you mind if you exchange phones? If you get your phone for 30 seconds and then you see if your wife is not cheating on you? Because okay, here's the thing. Imagine if we saw like if you saw her alone.
What it is pops man.
So he's cheating also. So you guys you are cheating each other. My sister, what do you think? Are you cheating?
No.
You're not cheating. Do you trust your man? You trust him? Okay. Here's the thing. Let me sit here. You said you trust your man. You said you trust your man. I don't know what about this one. You said you trust your man. Okay. Here's the thing. Do you mind? What is he saying? What is he saying? Don't worry about the video. We just want to see if she's cheating on you and if you are cheating on her. Are you cheating on her? What is he saying? So why is he like taking time to exchange phones? My sister, you said you don't trust your man. What is he saying? B2, what did we do? So what are you saying, guys? You refuse to exchange phones? You don't want? So you agreed you're cheating on her and she's cheating on you? So guys, we're out here in Gardens. What is he saying?
He's saying to my brother.
Yo, what's up, browse it? What is he saying? Okay. So what are you saying here, guys? What is he saying? Why should we talk to your brother when you're talking to you? Do you have anything to say? You don't have? Okay, the story that is here is we want those guys to exchange phones for 30 seconds. To exchange phones for 30 seconds to see if this one is cheating or if this one is not cheating. Yes, that's what we want to see. Only. So this one, the girl. So why? Are you cheating? If you have, you see, this one don't have any comment. We are fixing the country. Okay. You said you trust your woman. Yeah? Do you want us? Yes. Okay, now we no longer want your phone. Now we want to check your phone if she's cheating on you. She don't have a phone.
Yes.
So are you cheating on her?
No.
So do you mind if you give her your phone to see if you are not cheating on her?
No.
My sister, you see your man is cheating on you. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that your man is cheating on you? Did you see it? So are you going to leave him? So what are you going to say? Are you going to continue dating him? You're gonna continue? No. You see that your man, he doesn't love you and he's cheating on you. My brother, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that to this beautiful lady? What is he saying? What is he saying? I'm praising. This one is my friend. We're from Zambia. And we do content for a living. We break relationships for a living. What is he saying? What is he saying? What is he saying? Oh yeah, they're just playing. So which means this one is single.
Yes.
So she doesn't have a phone.
They're just jolly.
So you have a phone? You do have?
I don't have.
You don't have? So where are you available? On Facebook. Where do you live? Okay, guys, we have come to the end of this to the end of this episode. We all saw that this guy is cheating on this girl, and then my sister. So you said you are going to leave him?
No.
You're not going to leave him, but you said you just said you're going to leave him. Okay, guys, you just saw it for yourself, and the guy is cheating on the girl, and the girl is very beautiful to be cheated. Luckily, she don't have a phone, but I wanted to take her numbers. My brother, do you want to say anything? Do you have a Facebook or Instagram? We want to follow you. There are so many girls that cheat also that you can date there. You are a TikTok. Yes. What's your TikTok? You're gonna gain thousands of followers. What's your TikTok? There's a lot of girls that want to cheat also.
Just manpower.
Just manpower in yours. You don't have. What about you? You don't have. So yeah, guys, thank you for your time, guys. We have come to the end of this episode. Tanko, see you. Alright, guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Korean understanding. If you want more of this, just tell me that. Praise, keep on dropping this. Yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.